10 Best Invest Ideas in the World. Stock Market Index Funds. Diversify your portfolio with low-cost index funds tracking global stock markets. Technology stocks. Consider investing in well-established tech companies with a track record of innovation and growth. Renewable energy. Explore investments in clean energy companies as the world shifts towards sustainable practices. Healthcare and biotech. Invest in companies driving advancements in healthcare and biotechnology. Real estate. Diversify with real estate investments, either through real estate investment trusts, REITs, or physical properties. Cryptocurrencies. Allocate a portion of your portfolio to cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum, but be mindful of the associated risks. Consumer discretionary stocks. Look into companies that provide non-essential goods or services, as consumer spending often increases during economic growth. Dividend stocks. Consider stable, dividend-paying stocks for a steady income stream. Emerging markets. Explore opportunities in developing economies that show potential for growth. Precious metals. Include gold or silver in your portfolio as a hedge against inflation and economic uncertainties.